Here we are in the Embarcadero of San Diego, ready to go on a seal boat tour. Goes on land and on sea.
Our tour begins by winding through the picturesque streets of San Diego. Over there you can see Kansas City Barbecue with its red awning. It's where multiple scenes from the 1986 movie Top Gun were filmed. We are in an area of town known as the Embarcadero. Embarcadero is Spanish for boarding place because there is a history of ships boarding here. Over here is the USS Midway aircraft carrier. It served the Navy from 1945 until 1992 and is now a museum. I made a whole YouTube video about it, so make sure to check that out. Next up is the Portside Pier, which has 4 signature restaurants and a stunning 360-degree view of the San Diego Bay. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, time to enter the water. It's an impressive feat for everyone on board, but that pelican doesn't seem fazed. You can see the naval station located on North Island. In 1911, this was the first place where the Navy ever used an airplane. We had to be careful though because security is tight. There was a patrol boat making sure we don't get too close to that submarine. Like all submarines in the US Navy, this one is nuclear powered. Fun fact, my high school tennis coach served on a Navy nuclear submarine. Off in the distance you can see Mexico. It's only 16 miles away. Here you can see some sea lions. A major difference between sea lions and seals is that sea lions have little flaps on their ears. Did you know that sea lions are used by the Navy to retrieve test missiles? They are trained in this facility. There are also dolphins that are trained here. In addition to retrieving test missiles, marine mammals are used by the military to rescue lost swimmers, guard ships against enemy divers, locate mines, and recover lost equipment. Near the Marine Life Training Facility is a refueling facility. It's where giant warships go to get refueled. While most warships are full of people, some don't need people at all. Like this drone, it's called the Sea Hunter, and it doesn't need a single person to be on board. It was first launched in 2016 and cost $20 million to build. Time to go back on land.
That's it for the seal. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe.